Hey guys, um, we're almost there with kiln. We just want to share a little bit more information if anyone's going to be going down this path. We went down it, and with our particular kiln, we came across things we needed to change and modify and improve on. So this is a good size oven for one source of heat that's external. Um, there's no burner that goes down and then heats evenly down there. So what was happening was we're getting uneven heat inside this big oven. So we try to solve some of those issues with the flame tube to try to distribute the hot air down across that length. And we still, even doing that, we still have hot spots. So, but now what we had to do is, since we got to get this glass up to a specific temperature, and it's in its temperature range. It can't be too cool. It can't be too hot because you're getting distortion. So some of our runs we got distortion. We were too hot in certain areas of the oven, and then it did anneal. And then when we try to not go so hot, we didn't anneal it. So the next solution to the problem was taking temperature points throughout the oven. So what we did was, you can see we got these 3/8 6-inch nipples, and then just clamped it with a pipe clamp, and they're test ports, so we can run the temperature probe right inside the pipe at these points, and it's going to give us an average temperature across the oven. So we have one here, we got one down lower. This one here down lower is actually going to give us the most accurate temperature of the glass because the probe goes in between the stack of panes, and it's going to let us know what's going on there. This other one's up inside the hot air of the oven, the ambient air, and we got one over here. See, our temperature probe has a good length on it, so what we do is we just come right up to the pipe, and that way there we know we're in the exact spot every time. Just slide it right in the port, and then that's directly in the hot air when the burner's on. So it's not really a true measurement of the heat in that oven, because when the hot air is flowing by it, it's giving you one reading. When you shut the burner off, the temperature drops immediately. It means that's really not the oven temperature, because the oven's got to sit for a while with that temperature in there, and that threw us. We tried to cut a piece, it wasn't annealed. It told us we were at 900. We held it there, and then when we shut the oven off, we realized that the oven wasn't at 900 because the temperature dropped immediately, and dropped a lot. So a couple hundred degrees. This is a big fluctuation when you're trying to get an accurate temperature to stay. So we haven't done it yet, but this is one of the solutions we try to come up with, is get a couple of spots in the oven for temperature readings, and that way there we're going to get a truer idea of what's going on in the oven, and try to solve the problems we had, and that was with the range of temperature range. And then also we did put our little sight glass in here so we can see what the glass is doing. It's gonna shine. It's gonna show us a view of the glass. So we're doing some research, but I guess when the glass is heated up to a certain temperature, it'll start to glow, and that way there, that will give us another cue of how we're doing in the oven. So basically, we can't go inside that oven when it's 900, but we can try to get an idea what's going on inside that oven, and these little test ports should help us do that. Anyways, I just wanted to share that if somebody's going to be doing this, a long type of oven like this, and they only have like one way to heat it on one side and one way to vent it, maybe this will be helpful. Figured we'd share that, and then maybe we'll let you know how we made out. Then maybe we can even tell you how the oven performs course, all we have is the one burner to adjust. We only have one adjustment on the burner to go up or down. And we have a damper we can open and close. But basically, our hands are tied to the heat on one source of the oven for now. Anyways, that's where we're at. We gotta modify it a little bit more and get an idea what's going on in that oven a little bit better, and hopefully we can get this stuff annealed and be done with this part of the whole game, and get this glass installed and get this insulation stuff out of here so we get some natural light in here. And then right after that, we're gonna go right upstairs and start working on the master bath and the master bedroom. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Just wanted to share how we're making out, and we'll keep you posted.